Hey everyone, this video is going to cover how to use the new bidding company level templates that are out there. I think they're all released, but it's in the Procore Explorer, so this might be just a feature adding. If you look at it currently, if you go inside of your company admin tools and select bidding, the new interface here shows settings, so some of your basic configurations, so get this set up for your information, right? Then here you have templates. So you open up a template, you got some basic information. You can add all your bid forms here. Hit edit on that. Here's your plumbing fixtures bid form, alternates, and the bidders, and you can add as many people as you want, kind of that overall process here. So this lets you update it for your company level, make different packages. So like I have plumbing fixtures here. You could have HVAC, you could have drywall, you could have all your different parts and pieces. Let's go ahead and enable it, see if that anything changes. So we're going to join it. Probably only for the entire company. Just a reminder here. All this is here, right? Procore Explorer. Click here. Go ahead and join that program. Save and join. Going to do a little refresh here. I'm actually going to go ahead and log in and log out, because I know that makes sure that it's actually set up. Okay, so let's go in here, jump back into admin, jump down to bidding, templates. Yeah, not much has changed here, but you can create your and then you can actually do this from a bid package that you've already used if you need to. Let's just do new and add all your line items, things like that. Now, the other place to use this, just so you know, if I go into my test project here, and I go into my bidding tool, click on my HVAC, we hit bid forms, new from template, and then here's my template collection. You can select them all. You can add just bidders. You can add line items or line items and bidders. So that's really, and if you have more than one template here, it creates just a new bid form. So that's really all that it's used, not all that it's used for. This is really helpful. Don't get me wrong. Like I would use this for your project, get set up, have a company level template. You can use this as like your selected bidders, like your short list of bidders, people that you've approved. So get them on this bid form, and basically you have to start from this bidder list if you have like a pre-qualification process. So go ahead and start setting this up for your job. If you need any help with that setup, let me know. As always, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.